This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink text to a website in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. I have Microsoft PowerPoint opened up now. To link text to a website in PowerPoint, it's very easy to do. Say that I wanted to link this text right here to a web page. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is select the text that you want to hyperlink. I'm going to place my mouse cursor here. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button, drag across the text that I want hyperlinked. Then the next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here to the Insert tab. Click on the Insert tab. Then on the ribbon, you want to go about halfway down to where it says Link and click on Link. Then you'll go straight down to where it says Insert Link and click on Insert Link. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on the top one, Existing File or Web Page. Make sure you're on that one. Then down here where it says Address, in the box next to Address, you want to type or paste in the URL of the web page you want to hyperlink that text to. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to hyperlink mine to google.com. I'm going to paste it in there. Then you'll go down and click on OK. Now as you can see, that text has become a hyperlink. If I place my mouse cursor over that text, it says it's hyperlinked to google.com. That's what I hyperlinked it to. And to test it, place your mouse cursor over the text, hold down the Control key, and left click while you're holding down the Control key. It opens up my browser to google.com. That's what I hyperlinked it to. That is how to hyperlink text to a website in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.